In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on IBKR Mobile. Now, the first thing you want to do here inside your app, you want to go ahead and tap on the trade button at the bottom middle. Now, of course, I'm currently in my simulated trading paper account. Of course, you can do this on your normal real account as well. It's going to work the exact same way. So just tap on trade at the bottom middle. And then from here, you'll first have to select whatever you want to trade. So we could go ahead and go to the very top and then search for stocks, ETFs, or more. I'm just going to go ahead and select Apple over here, but of course you can do exactly whatever you want. Okay, so I'm going to tap on it, and for this example I'm just going to select the stock, and then to actually trade it over here you can see a bunch of different things. You can see the chart, the options, book connections, etc. up top. You can basically like take a look at the overview and stuff like that, and when you are ready to start trading, at the bottom it's going to say buy and sell. You can just tap on buy or sell, and whenever you do this, it's going to open up the buy order if you tap on buy, or if you tap on sell over here, it's going to open up a sell order. And then you basically, all you have to do is type in your quantity. So here you have to type it in. So by tapping on the number, you can just set a custom number, or you could also tap the minus and plus buttons. And whenever you do that, you could also select the order type. So it could be limit, or if you tap on the arrow, you can do any of these on the screen as well. Then you have to select your price. So if I go to market, for example, like this, there we go. You can then select the time in force as well, day, good till cancel, or at the opening. And then here you can attach basically like profit taker or stop losses. You could go ahead and set one cancels on others if you want to. You could go ahead and see the order conditions. You can ask iBot, etc. And whenever you're ready, you could just slide at the bottom over here to create either a buy order or of course a sell order in case that's something that you want to do. So that's how to trade on IBKR Mobile. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.